Ayan guys, another day, another coffee shop hunting na naman tayo. Itong pupuntahan natin ay matagal nang nagsaserve dito sa Imus, Cavite lang. Ano, tara, let's G!
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere from up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
A few moments later.
Let's light up the sky.
We're here at Po and Bean Cafe. Located nga pala to sa Eugenio Villanueva Avenue, Imus, Cavite. Ang store hours nila ay nag-start ng 4 p.m. to 11. Kung may magtatanong na pet-friendly sila, yes, based sa pangalan ng cafe, sure tayo na pet-friendly sila. Makikita nyo din guys na marami silang tables and chairs, may kubo, alfresco, and meron din silang second floor para mas maraming ma-accommodate. Napansin din namin na marami silang spot for picture-picture. Gusto kasi Instagrammable din yung place. Ang bango sa loob guys, kaya order na muna kami ha. As you can see guys, meron silang malawak na parking. Kasya kotse, motor, dinosaur, transformer, joke lang. Meron kaming napansin guys sa gilid, meron silang photo booth. Pupunta ka lang sa counter to get the code, then madami din silang choices if ilang shot yung gusto mo. 20 pesos lang for black and white printed copy. Then may QR na lalabas sa screen for colored soft copies na pwedeng isave via phone. Ayan, mag-picture-picture muna kami ha. Nagsiserve nga pala sila dito ng pastries, coffee, rice bowl at iba pa. Kaya kung interested kayo puntahan, ilalagay ko sa taas yung page nila para makita nyo din yung menu nila. So guys, naka-order na kami. We're having Imus Longganisa, cafe latte, matcha latte, and carbonara. All in all, pasado siya sa akin. So paano yun guys? See you on my next vlog. Bye!